All right, we're going to do a simple 401k calculation. So let's say you have your 401k investment, and right now you have $40,000 sitting in your account, and you're going to add $2,000 each year to that account for the next 30 years until you hit retirement. So how are we going to calculate this? First thing we're going to do is we're going to divide this into two parts. Okay? Because we have our $40,000 that's sitting in the account right now, and we're going to add $2,000 each year. And so we're going to go ahead and draw two boxes here. Now, the $40,000 is sitting in there as a lump sum. So we're going to carry that forward at future value of $1. The $2,000 that we're adding each year, or we could say every year, is an annuity. So we're going to bring this one forward at the future value of an annuity. And we said that we're going to get a 10% rate of return. So K equals 10, and N equals 30. We're going to use 10 because 10 is the long-range average of the stock market. Now, if our $40,000 was going to be in stocks at 10%, and maybe we were going to add $2,000 each year into a bond fund that earned about 6%, then we just change K here to 6%. If this fund was further split, and say I had $20,000 in a stock fund and $20,000 in a bond fund so that those items were separated, then I need to separate this money, and I would do something like this, where I had $20,000 in stocks, K equals 10, and $20,000 in bonds with a K of 6, and I would have split that up. But that's not our question today. We have $40,000 in the account. It's in a long-term stock fund earning an average of 10%. That's our best guess, obviously not guaranteed, for the next 30 years, and we're adding $2,000 more. So we look up our factor future value of $1, K equals 10, N equals 30, and we get a factor of 17.449. We multiply that across, and we get a value of $697,980. I know that's kind of tough to see there. This isn't the dollar sign, so we'll put a split there. Our factor for future value of an annuity, we looked that up, is 164.49. We multiply that across. 2,000 times 164.49 gets us 328,980. We add those together. We get a total value or expected value of what our fund's going to be worth 30 years from now. We end up with a total value of $1,026,940.